If you fall into a volcano, you won't instantly disappear, but your chances of survival are almost zero. Most people think you'd sink into lava like water, but lava is much denser than your body. So, what would actually happen? I'll tell you. But first, if you believe Batman is your hero, make sure to like the video and subscribe. If not, then you believe your hero is Chucky. Share this video to show your love for Batman and leave a heart for him. The extreme heat around the lava can cause severe burns long before you reach it. If you did make contact, you likely wouldn't sink. You'd remain on the surface because lava is much denser than the human body. The intense heat would be catastrophic, making survival virtually impossible. But how many times did I say lava?